Good afternoon, everyone. So today I will discuss about a serious issue, that is free access of water in India. So as we all know that free water is available everywhere, but the problem is, imagine a situation that you are traveling in a city and you are thirsty. So in there, you can't find free water stations around you because you don't know about the locations and from where you have to go. So here comes Refidia. That is, you can say as bad signal for free water. So here is the landing page. And it's just the landing page of this website. There is a website. So there we can like find stations, add stations, sponsor and join. So first let's see about asking about the so I will allow this. So let's search location. Like so I search a location in South India. That is, if we click on it, then we can see the location. And in map, the blue pointer is shown as like water refill station. So if we click on get direction, Google Map will open. So until it is open, showing the other options. Like here we can give the review, so it's open. So here we can see the Google Map is open, and there is a network issue, that's why it's not showing. Oh, so yes, it's showing now. And, here is the location. I have implemented it just for South India as of now, but as the project grows, I will make it for like Kolkata and elsewhere. So here we can also add the station, but for that we have to like first sign up and then we have to do that. So this is, let's take a random. So here it will create the dashboard. If we want to see the dashboard, so here is my profile section. It is a dashboard where you can see that, like I gamified it a bit just to encourage people to come over and use this. Here is some points are given. If you get the points, you will get that bottle as a reward. So yes, and we can add station from here. And after we add the station, it will go to the admin dashboard, and admin can select that the location will be approved or not. The location will be selected as the public review, and it is as it is crowd-funded. So it will depend on the user experience.
Okay, so just interrupting you. What's your name?
Ayush Vaishal.
You're from Calcutta University.
Yes.
Which department?
Chemical.
Okay, so you're alone, like in this.
Yes.
Okay. What's your like team name?
Team Lols.
Okay. See, fine. Is there anything left to show?
Yes, I want to see the architecture of this project. So
Okay.
for
Fine, I'll come to that. I'll come to that. Let me ask you a few things. I like the way like you've done it alone. Commendable. What have you done for what are the things you have used? Front end or back end, like something.
I have explained it in this slide. That, in front end, I have used React, and I have built an app too from the web version. So I have used React Native, and for the landing page next, I have used Element CSS. For the back end, I have used Superbase. The database is also from Superbase. Actually, it's using Postgres in backend, so yes. And
Yeah.
Superbase all I have used. And it's interacting with OpenStreet's API because Google API is paid, so I have not used it.
So fine, the front end is nice, the way you showed the map navigation is nice. Tell me more about this concept. Like concept is new to me. Water refill station. Do we have anything that exists in reality?
Yes,
Because
even-
we are used to buying a bottle of water or maybe like
Yes.
eating it from a public tap. Like
So
I would love to use this application. If you convert it to a fuel refill station, that will be very helpful.
No, I have not made for fuel station. In this slides also I have written that like what is the problem with plastic bottles? India generates 3.5 million tons plastic bottles per year. So it's not sustainable at all.
So it's a concept like that you are proposing, right? Water
Yes,
refill
yes.
stations.
Like we have seen that Bangalore is suffering from water crisis and many other cities will in further years. So that's the problem. So moreover, I have showed it into demo. So I've not.
Demo is nice. Whatever UI you have created is interesting. I liked it. Very neat and clean. Good. And do you have any kind of refill stations that exist already, or do you have any kind of data available?
Yes, I have shown it in the demo. Like that is a location in Pune that I have shown. It's actually a location in Pune, and the refill station is set it in database, but not actually the.
No. This I have understood. Like what you are adding a station, then you are showing it.
Yes, yes.
But does it really exist in real time?
No.
Has anything like that being initiated by the government, like water refill stations?
Yes, it is exist in real time. Like the water refill station is actually there. So
Any data is there? I mean,
Yes.
did you do any kind of a survey, like any data or any locations available?
I have used like custom data, not actual data.
Okay.
But for like verification part, I will implement the like admin dashboard that will verify that the user location is actually good, the butter is actually free or clean or neat or not. Because that is a big problem.
Okay, well done. Thank you so much. Round of applause for him.